the perfect because a lot of time in Japan, judo people like to do katate mochi. When judo people do a katate mochi, oh, that's a sign of danger. We can control you. Okay? So you have to escape quick. You gotta get out. So this is what I do from katate mochi. When this happens, I want to switch the stance and then attempt. One quick attempt to the body and one quick to the head. Okay? Actually, I can come out like this, bang. This is the escape technique, but I want to go into kotegaeshi technique. Okay? Yeah. Bang. I want to switch. 2 strikes. Now, rotate. Once here, I'm going to step in, bring him over. Look, even though he's making a weird this is actually, it's very natural. Some people's natural reaction. Most Aikido people are so nice, they fall very nicely. But in reality, may not. So he's very good, very natural. So did you see what I did? The other side from katate mochi. Okay, I'm going to switch the position. Okay, and now next step, what I'm going to do, I want to step into right here. This way, my shin is attacking his rib cage. Then, yeah, I strike his ear. Because that's a soft one. The head is very strong and hard, right? So this is katate mochi kotegaeshi. Okay. But you know, American wrestler, they don't do katate mochi like that. Did you know? They grab from inside. Yes. The reason why? Because the American wrestler will grab inside and also catch the, control the elbow joint and then go behind and then throw you. Very quick. So either way, outside katate mochi or inside katate mochi, both, it's a sign of danger. You gotta get out quick. So now inside the katate mochi, when this happens, again, this position not so good. So I'm going to switch, then strike, 1, 2. Now, okay, this is going to be today's unique kotegaeshi technique. It's called gyaku gote. Do you know gyaku in Japanese? Reverse. Ordinary kotegaeshi is this. It's going to be a reverse kotegaeshi. So you need to come a little bit closer. Okay? One more time. You grab from inside. Okay? As soon as notice my finger, instead of here, I'm going to face my palm toward him. This is going to be his grip before was very strong, but now not so much. Okay? Now I'm going to step in. You see the kidney right here. I'm going to one stop and then 2 punch. Next, notice just sliding 2 fingers. Okay? And then I'm going to step in. Bang! His elbow is here like this. So I'm going to stick, catch like this. Now his elbow is free, right? See, he can get out. So what I'm going to do, just put my left hand on top. And then I just lay down. When I'm from here, now I'm into submission technique. I'm controlling his wrist joint, then this technique called gyaku gote, reverse kotegaeshi. One more time? Yes, Okay, everybody said one more time. Or do you want to switch? Okay.
No, I'm fine.
Okay, one more time. He's gonna grab from inside. Okay, I'm gonna quickly change the position. Bang! 2 strike, minimum. Okay. When this come out, look, he's gonna be positioned like this. That's when I'm gonna sneak in, catch. Then I want to be 90 degrees. Make sure turn his face. That's it. Very simple. Okay. Thank you very much. Yes. Okay. I think this one will help. So I'm gonna wait for his attack. Bam. Then maybe a couple of good strikes to the body. Then this is called kumade, bear claw strike. Shote uchi. Now when he's like this, I want you to use your knee shot. Then I'm gonna grab the belt. Next, can you come around? What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bring knee like this. Okay? And my foot into this box. And this way, even if your opponent is big and heavy, throw is not so difficult. Normally, you try to throw from him, someone big and heavy like him, it's gonna be difficult. But your knee, thanks to your knee, you don't feel that much weight. The Papa, he may feel my knee close to the rib, right? Yeah. So, not so much resistance. The other side, one more time. Same hand. Yeah, same hand. And then you can knee shot to the body. And then reach. Now. And yeah. Finish with the elbow strike. Thank you very much. Maybe again I'm gonna do use tsubamegaeshi counter attack technique. Okay, striking. So this next one is unique. Tap me slowly. Okay. You can. After this, what I want you to do, I want you to control his one arm with 2 hands. Okay. Then bring him down. Now up. Then finish. So this is all similar throwing concept. Okay? So I'm just grabbing its one arm with 2 hands. One more time. Attack. Body shot. As soon as this, reach right hand under. Like this. And then I'm going to bring him down. Now, then finish. The technique is very simple. You think you can do?
I couldn't see the arm control. I could not see the arm.
Oh,
When you pull them down.
arm is okay. Left arm. Catch 3. Like this. And then let's bring your chest. Okay? Close. Put your weight like this. Bring him down. Now he doesn't like, he wants to come up. That's when you get the timing. Okay? Thank you for being with me. Okay, please walk. Tsubamegaeshi technique. This time, remember sometimes you step in and punch. Okay? This time, so just step in and punch. So I'm gonna wait. Bang. Okay, after the punch, I want to get down. Bang! One shot to the to the pressure point. Okay, the next one I'm going to do, his leg is pretty strong, okay, stable. But I want you to check first. His leg, if I kick here, he will just fall down. This is no fun. And the technique. So instead of straight going, another direction is sideways, diagonal. When he falls down this way, now you have a chance to do a yonkajo technique. Okay? When you finish yonkajo, now catch. Make sure this is a safety stop to protect this kick. So now I will put it into position. And so this is a combination of yonkajo and Akiles ken gatame technique. Okay. One more time. He's going to come attack. Bam, bam, wow. Okay. Whack. And any portion inside. As you can see, those MMA fighters, they kick all outside. Outside is strong, but the God created our inside, not so strong. Any portion, okay, just like that. Then you can do either this way, make sure, stop, bang. Okay. This is the stopper, safety. Then make sure, cross. Now, we're going to attack this Achilles tendon, okay? Wrap around, 90 degrees. It hurts a lot. Okay, please try and see how it feels like. Okay, another one. Now this time I'm going to foot kick. For finishing, some people like to do this way, some people like to go and hug from behind, okay, either way. But this way is easy. And just a small movement.
Oh, thanks.
One more time. Okay, yeah. Bang, bang. Okay, after this, roundhouse kick. Now, all you need is just tap with heel. Okay? How much you want to put this foot? You don't want to put too deep inside. Just a little bit like this. But some people like to do it this way. Okay, let's try. See how it feels, right? Again, he's going to step in and attack. So I'm going to bang. Notice my second double. One is body shot, and then second one is head, neck. Okay? Then I want you to come to the side like this. Side. Bring your foot up here. Make sure he's getting a what do you call it? Split. Yeah. So your left hand must maintain its gi, right? Then extend. You have long legs, so you can control much better than me. The other side. Okay, quick. Bang, bang. Now quick. You can also attack knee like this. Okay, somebody is very strong, so you can switch to. You can do either way, but it can be dangerous. So don't resist too much. Your knee may feel tomorrow morning. Okay, question? We're gonna use the tsubame ice technique. Okay? After this, we're gonna walk this here. Okay? Now next, almost like uchimata. Okay? Then again, so end result is almost the same, but application is just a little bit different. You can do from outside. Now you can then almost end result is the same. But this one almost like you almost going into judo uchimata. Yeah, so going to fake uchimata, and then once your legs attack is growing, okay, go down. You see that my foot? That's where your head's supposed to go. It's a little bit scary experience. You gotta be brave. Okay? You gotta trust your foot and move this leg same time your head goes in, and then catch his leg and just roll. Zenpo kaite. Okay? Please try. See how it feels like.